That's better. Okay, we made the choice. We're going to stick with the Avata 2 in terms of a cinematic drone. I'm going to get the FPV drones to have fun and go crazy with. This one I'm going to be sensible-ish with. So first flight with the new DJI Avata 2. OTG wired connection, what does that mean? Okay, we need to turn manual on, which we haven't got. So I need to go into the settings, control, remote controller. We need to go down to custom mode, change that to manual mode, confirm, and then probably, I'm guessing, gain an expo. We got a limit on the here. Now I probably need to change the rates as well, but I haven't got time. So let's be sensible, take off in sport first. Okay, so we got sport mode. That's full throttle with sport. We can turn it around. That's sport again. Okay, so you can see, look at the wind. Normal, as we found with the Neo the other day, but the difference is I'm happy to fly this in normal and sport. Yeah, as you can see, 21 satellites, but let's stick it into manual. Okay. First manual flight with the replaced Avata 2. Remember, we're being sensible-ish. So we're going to be looking pretty. Okay. Dive. Let's come down the road. That's better. That was a safe power loop. Remember, we're being sensible. This is for cinematic purposes only. We're going to have the Pavo and the Darwin FPV drones for going crazy with. This is to look pretty. But let's do one nice one now. So babysitting with the drone. Keeping an eye on the kids. 57%. How long have we been flying for? 6 minutes 37. Oh no, that's when I started recording. Right, what type of punch have we got with this? That's where it looks cool. Oh, do I dare? Oh, well, that wasn't a great signal there, was it? And it's 34% battery. Let's bring her back. Heart's going then. Okay, we're alright. Wasn't a headwind. And I think I would be able to recover it as well, but you can see how much I'm tilting with the wind. 29%. Alright, let's stick it back into sport. Don't know what the OTG wired connection is. If you know, let me know. That's fun. It was a little bit risky underneath the diggers and a little bit risky with a couple of the low passes, but apart from that, we were sensible-ish. Let me know if you have any questions with the Avata 2. I'll keep you posted when the Pavo comes. It's still saying it's left China or something, but I haven't seen anything since. And the same with the Darwin FPV 3-inch. So when they come, we'll have some fun with those. Speak to you soon.